How to check mobile data usage on iPhone. In today's video, we're going to show you how to check your mobile data usage on your iPhone, whether you're trying to track how much data you've used or make sure you don't go over your data limit. We've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, from there, find the mobile data option or simply cellular, depending on your region. This section shows everything related to your mobile network settings. Here's where you find your mobile data usage information. Once you tap on mobile data or cellular, you'll see a section labeled cellular data usage. On the cellular data usage, you'll see the total amount of data used, as you can see current period and current period roaming. You can compare this to the amount of data your plan allows to see how much you have left. Note that iPhone resets this usage counter every time you restart your device, so it might not match exactly with your billing cycle. And that's it. Now you know how to check your mobile data usage on your iPhone.